You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chip your child before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So don't you let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with yourself before the launch. You can play with your food and lie about it. It's a crazy little game called life. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell you mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to pound puddles down the mud and collect the shallows. And make this kind of slime to slime to perfectly fine marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water foam and race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game than sharpen with teeth, and preferably with something in the kitty. Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with the food before you eat it. You can chip your child before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 ducky.